Nifty and Bank Nifty at very important levels, and there is a deviation of chart patterns between Nifty and Bank Nifty. We are going to analyze the charts from 2020 low to the current date. That is from weekly chart to hourly chart and even to 15 minutes chart. This will be 100% application of Elliott wave theory to real life analysis. Watch the video fully, and I believe this will be very good learning experience in Elliott waves. Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today, 19th January, Nifty closed this week at 21,622. So this is weekly chart of Nifty. Okay, we are going to analyze from this low, that is 2020 low, to today's weekly candle. Why I take from 2020 low? Because there is a deviation between Nifty and Bank Nifty charts. That is the reason. So I am bullish on Nifty, but the Bank Nifty not yet giving a bullish signal. So that is where I am getting a deviation. Okay. So if you remember, I think I posted a video around October. I think October, I'm not sure, with the title named Cautious on Markets. Why I said that is, I was able to see an ending pattern in Bank Nifty and also in Nifty at that time. Okay. See this kind of structure. Okay. I expected the Nifty will turn down, but it made a breakout and moved higher. But if you see, still Bank Nifty in that same pattern only. This is what I analyzed in I think October. Okay, so this is not giving an bullish view yet. So that is where I'm getting deviation. Okay, so I thought of we can analyze from 2020 low, so we can get some meaningful interpretation of the charts. Okay, right. So we'll start from Nifty. In this video, we are going to analyze both indices, Nifty and Bank Nifty, in both views, that is bullish and bearish. Because I have a bullish count in Nifty, but Bank Nifty having a bearish count as of now. So we don't know which one is going to follow the other indices. Okay. So as per the intermarket divergence, we just saw last week video, either one of the index should follow other. Okay, there should be a similarity among the sectors and indices. So either Bank Nifty follow Nifty or Nifty has to follow the Bank Nifty. So we will have a both view, and we will have some levels, then we watch the market. That is what the idea, and I believe this will be a good interesting video for this weekend to discuss. Right. So I start with the bearish count. So this is 2020 low. Okay. As you know, whenever you start counting an impulse wave, you have to start count from the lowest point on the particular time frame. Okay. So I take it as 1 here, 2 here, and this entire wave as 3. In wave 3, we can find wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is a complex structure, ABCX and ABCY. Okay, WXY, a complex and a fifth. Okay, just always remember that mere keeping on numbers on highs and lows will not give a meaningful wave counts. It should be accompanied with a fib number or aligned with some other indicator or RSI or Bollinger Bands or something. Okay, I use mostly wave as primary, and to wave count to be correct, I will check with the fib numbers. Okay, so basically, okay, the wave 2 will retrace 50 to 61% of wave 1. Okay, and wave 3 most probably will be extended, and we can expect minimum of 1.618 and above of this wave 1. And wave 4 mostly will settle between 23% to 50%. That depends on the wave 2. If wave 2 is small, it can be deeper, even reaches 50%. If wave 2 is bigger, like it reaches 16% or even below, you can expect a small retracement in wave 4 between 23 to 38%. That depends on the theory of alternation. And the wave 5, the most important target, okay, where will be the endpoint of this impulse wave at any time frame, okay? If you check like this, we can calculate in 2 to 3 ways, okay? Calculating from wave 1 100% or wave 4 1.618% or calculating from 0 to 3 to distance and projecting a fib number. But I usually do that last method. I project from wave 1 low to wave 3 high and project it from wave 4 low, and we will have a mostly 50 to 61% the impulse wave may end. The fibs should align with the wave count. Then only we can have a meaningful interpretation. So I'm checking the fifth wave target, whether it reaches that 61.8% or 50%. So taking the fib extension from wave 1 0, from wave 1 low to wave 3 high, and projecting from wave 4 low. See the top. That exactly stopped at 61.8% of wave 1 2 3 distance. Okay. So this is a possibly a meaningful top has been made, right? This is how we calculate the target for wave 5. I have showed a lot of examples explaining the same concept, and it has been worked in most of the charts. And here too, if we take like this, exactly 61.8% comes here, and it can be A, B, C, D here, 1 2 3 4 5. A 5-way move also has been seen here. Can we say that of total 5 waves, impulse has been completed, which has started from 2020 March low? Yes, that is a possible. Okay, that's why I wanted to make this video. Okay. Okay. So have this in mind. Here I don't find any ending diagonal. Okay. It's a normal impulse wave here. As of now, the price stopped at 61.8%, which is the potential target for wave 5 in an impulse. So it can be the top. So have this in mind as a bearish structure in Nifty. Now Bank Nifty. This is the interesting thing. See, same 1 2 1 2 3 4 5, third wave, fourth wave, and fifth wave, A B C D E. Okay. The same projection I am doing in Bank Nifty also. Okay, projecting from wave 4 low. This also stopped exactly at 61.8%. See the magic of the waves and fibs. Okay, it works in all time frames. I think in previous video I showed in just 5 minutes chart. Here I am showing with a weekly chart. The most interesting part is the Bank Nifty still in the ending pattern. This is the point I'm worrying about. Okay, this is the part we need to take a careful analysis henceforth. Bank Nifty is bearish only. As of now, the Bank Nifty shows bearish signals only. Okay, see, each and every wave overlaps. Okay, made a high, overlap with this high, made a new high, overlapping. So these are the possible ending diagonals only. Okay, it may reverse. I will show the option, but as of now, there is a sync between both indices. That is what I'm wondering about. Both Nifty and Bank Nifty exactly stopped at 61.8%. Okay, so are we made a meaningful top? Yes, possible. Yes, 100% is also possible. So this view is as per the bearish structure. Okay, first of all, why I am talking about two views? The first reason is I having a bullish view on Nifty, but this ending diagonal on 61.8%, which makes a bearish structure in Bank Nifty. So one index showing bullish signal, bullish pattern, and the Bank Nifty shows a bearish pattern. So seriously, there is a confusion. So I want to share with you. Okay, that is the main purpose. So I am checking both view in Nifty and also in Bank Nifty. So which is synchronizing each other or which are aligning with each other, and the levels we may see in coming days. Okay, so this is first view as per the bearish view. To be frank, both are aligning very neatly with each other. Okay, so this view cannot be ignored. Okay, because both index having a similar structure, the 61.8%, the fifth wave, everything. Okay, right. Now the bearish structure because of Bank Nifty. So now we are going to see the bullish structure because of Nifty. Right. So for bullish structure, I'm slightly adjusting the count like this: 3, 4, 5. Here you can find 5 impulse: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and even we can check the same logic of 5 wave. It may be ended at 50%. Okay, this is acceptable. Now this is wave 1, bigger wave 1 and bigger wave 2, and we are in wave 3. Okay, I'm changing this color. So there will be an extended waves, multiple waves. So don't get confused. I am explaining as simple as possible. Okay, this 5 waves is a bigger wave 1 and bigger wave 2, and we are in bigger wave 3 as per the bullish view. See, if this is the wave 3, we need to calculate 5 internals: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 5 waves should follow the 3 Elliott wave rules, right? The wave 2 cannot go below the starting point of wave 1. Wave 4 cannot trade in wave 1 zone, and wave 3 cannot be the shortest. These 3 simple rules should be followed. Okay, so now I am calculating the internals. So from here, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So in this case, are we completed the wave 3? By seeing this, there is a possibility of 5 wave completion. And is there any possibility of wave 3 completed here? Let us check this impulse wave with rules. Okay. So wave 2 not came below the starting point of wave 1. Done. Okay. Next, wave 4 should not trade in the wave 1 zone. So what is the wave 1 top? 18,887. What is the wave 4 low? 18,837. So definitely it is 50 points has been traded in this zone. That is wave 1 zone. That is not accepted in the wave rules. So what it can be? It cannot be a third and it cannot be a fourth. So now how to count it? Okay. See, this is a real learning. Whenever, for example, if you are trading, you think that you are going to trade the price may make a new high and it can be a wave 3. Okay, imagine you are in this zone. You take an entry here. Breakout has been done, and you are thinking that wave 3 is gonna move, and I am taking a position here. The price moving, yes, high, fine. Now you are counting it as 3 here. Okay. Now your price has been correcting. You think that 3 has been over, the price in fourth wave correction. That is allowed only above the wave 1 zone. Just now we saw that. But when the price dips in wave 1 zone, we cannot mark it as wave 4. If you come across these situations, better count it as extending third wave. That has a much potential distance we can get in the particular trade. Okay. even in your chart or trading, this thing appears, don't mark it as 4, mark it as an extending wave 3. That is, this is just wave 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and 3 of 3, 4 and 5 may follow. Okay, I change the color. I hope you're understanding now. Okay. Since the rule has been violated here, we need to change the count like this. Fine. The second most interesting thing, why we can say it is a third wave. See the slope. Though it is a third wave, all these are part of third wave. See the slope. You can see the difference, right? So this can't be a third of 3. Okay. Because third wave has the nature of going steepness, straight with the gaps. That is what we seen this. That is what we seen in this impulse. You can easily know the steepness. Okay. Yes. So this is also one of the reason. Fine. Now, so something is ending here, right? That is what I am discussing here. That something is ending here. What that is? Are we ending the entire impulse wave? Just now we saw in the bearish structure. Okay. Have that always in mind. Okay. Bank Nifty, until coming out of this trend line, okay, it needs to come out. Okay. Until that, we cannot rule out this option, bearish structure. Okay. So something is ending here. What is it? As per a bearish structure, the entire impulse has been completed and we should go below for a very big correction. That is one thing. Okay, that we keep aside. Now it is, we are counting it as a bullish structure. So what it is ending now? Either this third wave should end here, maybe a fourth wave may start and fifth may proceed. This is the higher chances, right? So within third wave, wave 1, wave 2, 3, in that wave 1, 2, 3 has been ending and a 4 may follow. Here I have one more doubt, that wave 3 has a personality of moving minimum 1.618 times of wave 1. That is not the rule. I am reiterating that that is not the rule. I will show an example here. See, I mark line here 1 minute. Okay. See here, usually wave 3 will be extended and wave 5 will be like this and wave 1. The third wave cannot be the shortest, right? So that is why the usual character will be, it is more than 100%, because that will be more than wave 1. That implies that wave 1 is the shortest. So in that case, wave 3 cannot be the shortest. You got it, right? So that is why we are checking the 100% reached or not. Usually wave 3 move beyond that 100% and normally stops at 1.618. Okay, but the rule can be seen like this also. When the wave 3 is shorter than wave 1, wave 5 even shorter than wave 3. So here the shortest wave is wave 5. Got it? Wave 3 is not the shortest. The rule is wave 3 cannot be the shortest. That's all. That should not be meant as wave 3 should be always extended. No. Wave 3 cannot be shortest. Here the wave 5 is shortest in this situation. And that's I'm sharing for knowledge purpose. So with this idea, I'm checking only from this point. Now I'm analyzing only this 3 wave. Okay, from this wave. So this is third. So I'm expecting wave 3 to minimum reach 1.618 times of wave 1. But if you check this, the price not yet reached even 100% of this wave 1. Okay. If this, even it can be an expanded flat, it reached only 100%. Okay, I'm sharing the possibility. Even though, yes, we just saw this is allowed, if it is third wave and fourth and fifth wave will be even smaller than third wave. Yes, this is agreed, this is possible, but usually this will not happen. We are expecting a 3 of 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is already wave 3. See this. This is already wave 3. In that 1, 2, 3, in that wave 3, we are projecting it as 3. That is 3 of 3 of 3. That is why we get a lot of gaps during this impulse. Okay. So if we are expecting 3 of 3 of 3, how can it end below 100% of wave 1? So that is not a usual thing to do. So I expect it as, I'm sorry if it is again I'm confusing, it's still wave 1, 2, 3. Of this 3 and 4 and 5 may complete this 3. Wait, I will just share the chart. Okay. So I hope you understand what I am saying. Okay. That is why we discussed in Twitter yesterday, and all right, I will share the charts. So to understand this, we are still in process of wave 3. Okay. I'm choose the daily chart now. Okay. I'm counting it as wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to complete this 3. Okay, what this says is, what we can understand from this, we can get only a shallow correction, not a deeper correction. But anyway, that depends on this wave 2, but it is not a significant drop in markets if it is bullish count. Okay, that's the one understanding. Fine. It can be even like this. I'm not denying it. Third has completed. Anyway, we have some correction in next week, most probably. But the possibility of completing wave 3 is we have much more upside. Okay, so the possibility of completing wave 3 is I think we have some more space left. Okay, so with this aspect, I hope you understand. We just completed in this impulse third wave and we are proceeding the fourth wave. With this idea, I'm showing what I analyzed yesterday in hourly chart. Okay, okay. So this is the hourly chart analyzed on 18th Jan yesterday. Okay, this is a chart wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So wave 1, in that wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 in that wave 1, 3, and 2, 3, 4, and this is an ending diagonal in wave 5, A, B, C, D, E. Okay. The second wave is shallow, so we can expect a sharp and a deeper wave 4. Okay. So this is what the expectation, and I analyzed yesterday this one. Okay, this is hourly chart. See, again, I'm not saying that this is the only option. It can be even completed like this. Okay. I'm just sharing the possibilities for bullish scenario. So I gave few options. See, okay, one thing. This is very, very important idea. Okay. If you have read Elliott wave theory books, I believe this information will be available somewhere, but we may not give importance to this, but this is very, very important. Okay, kindly note it down. If you're finding an ending diagonal or a 5-wave impulse has been completing, there will be an unavoidable ABC correction, right? A, B, and C. Do you know where the A will mostly end? If you calculate from the wave 4 low, okay, wave 4 low, most probably the A wave will end at 61.8% of this distance, right? So if you have that, okay, have that in mind, go and check your previous charts and analysis, do some work, okay, analyze more charts, an ending diagonal or 5-wave impulse, totally completed 5-wave impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, And if you calculate from wave 4 low to top of wave 5, most probably the wave A will end at 61.8%. Maybe around somewhat, okay, 50% 61, but mostly 61. Now, after completing, the key trick is, that is practical tip, not theory. You cannot find anywhere. After ending the 61.8%, your next step is you need to calculate how many waves inside this wave A. Either it is 3 or 5. If it is 3, it can be a flat, and 3, 3, 5 may proceed. That is, the B wave may retrace more than 61.8%. If you find a 5-wave structure, then it is a zigzag. We can expect a 38% to 61 point retracement in B wave, and C wave may proceed further. This is what the understanding. Okay. So this is most important Elliott wave tip. That is not a secret. That is available in theory books, but we will not consider it as an important one. Fine. So usually wave A of decline will get support at 61.8 retracement from prior wave 4 low. Now also exactly got support. Okay, right. So what I analyzed yesterday was, I just did the analysis of, do I able to find the 5 subwaves in it? I can find it as wave 1, 2, 3 also here, 3, 4, 5, but giving the gaps, the narrowness, I mark it as 1, 2, 3. If it is 4, the fourth wave may go to 38% or 21,670 levels, okay, and may come one more time to the low. That may complete the wave A. Okay, I repeat it again. Since I don't find a clear 5 wave, I mark it as 1, 2, 3 and 4 in process. Fourth may stop at 21,580 levels, which is 38.2%, or even 50%, which is 21,670. Okay, then the price may test this level. Again, that may complete the wave A. Okay, that is one option. The second option, if I completed, okay, if I able to see a 5-wave structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So why this option 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Because the required distance has been reached in wave A, that is 61.8%. Okay, since the decline reaches the minimum requirement of 61.8%, I mark it as 5-wave completed and expecting a B wave to go to 21,700. And if rejection happens here, the C wave may proceed down. This is what the analysis done. Okay, hope you understand. This is the wave A decline area, and within wave A, if it is 3, what is the possibility? And if it is 5, what is the possibility? Okay, now I am showing the current chart. Okay, what time frame it is? 15 minutes. I change it to 15 minutes. So the price stops exactly at 21,670 today, I think. Okay, so again, are we completing only the 4th wave, or this is B wave? We need to see. Okay, so it can be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the B wave and may decline, or it is A wave, B wave and C may proceed. So anyway, we may see a decline if the price rejects from 21,700 zone. Okay, either decline straight away or it will reject 21,700 levels. We may see a decline. This is what we need to analyze. So in both situations, we may expect a decline from here. I believe it is A has been done, and it is a B and C because the 61.8%, which is the required distance, has been reached in this decline. So that is the reason I calculated as A wave ended here, and a B wave may reach 21,700 670 to 700 are this trend line, and if it faces rejection and coming lower below this point, then it may proceed down to the C wave. Okay, this is what the idea. And in hourly chart, if it comes down in C wave, how far we can expect? This can be analyzed only with the idea that either this is third or fifth. Okay, if it is third, we will expect a fourth wave correction. If it is fifth, we will expect a full decline to complete this correction. Okay, that's the importance of which wave has been ended here to be analyzed. Okay, so I believe just it's a third wave, so I expect a decline to complete at 38% to 50% retracement. Why? Because the wave 2 is very shallow, so we may expect a deeper correction, and 38% is 21,200, but I believe if it comes down 20,900 to 20,750 may be a good important support for the next wave upside, right? So this is the projection if it is in bullish case situations. Okay, so I'll just give a recap of what we analyzed so far. So the first view was a bearish structure. We analyzed both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and surprisingly both index stopping at exactly at 61.8%, which are assumed to be aligning with each other. Okay, that is the surprising factor here. So both are aligning with the waves and Fibs. So that's the bearish case structure. So because the bearish ending diagonal is formed in the Bank Nifty. So because of Bank Nifty bearish counts in Bank Nifty, we analyze Nifty also. So want to see that either of it's aligning with each other or not, and in bearish case they are aligning. Okay, fine. The second, Nifty is bullish structure. As of now, Nifty is in bullish structure, and we saw how to count. Now we need to see what is the possibility in Bank Nifty to go higher, as we analyzed in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay, so we are going to see now what is the possibility of negating this bearish count in Bank Nifty. Okay, this is the bearish count. Okay, so how to make this as bullish count? Price needs to, first of all, it needs to move higher. It needs to move higher, no other way. And how it is possible? Okay, so I'm removing this fib number. I am removing this fib number now. So we are going to analyze from this low point. Okay, if need to be impulse, the price needs to stop between 50% to 61.8% of distance. The price so far reached exactly got supported 50%. Okay, and also this is a gap zone. So 61.8 comes to 44,600 approximately. This is the important level. I move to hourly chart. So what it can be, I'm doubting that it is either it is a fourth wave, because the nature is not suggesting it is a fourth wave. So I'm counting it as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, 4 and 5. And how to count this correction? This is not a 5 wave, so it is ABC. Okay, so it's ABC, and this is an X, so WX, and Y it is maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so as of now I count it as this, either WXY or ABC. Okay, ABC. Okay, this is as per bullish structure. Okay, Bank Nifty is the key now. Bank Nifty needs to change bullish. Okay, if it is ABC, and in C wave we need to get 5 waves. So 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 and 5. Okay. Now another important level is, I'm just drawing roughly 45,000. Okay, 44,900 to 45,000, and 44,600 will be a crucial support for Bank Nifty if it comes down. All right. So how this bearish count can change to be a bullish one? Okay, this price will get support here, that is a 5-wave impulse, a 3-wave decline, and moving higher. This is the only possibility now to make the Bank Nifty bullish. Nifty already in bullish, but if Bank Nifty to follow Nifty, this is the option now. Okay, after a decline, maybe this is a 4th wave and falls back to again what is it, 44,900 to 44,600, and then turn to upside will give the concept of bullishness in Bank Nifty also. As per our bullish previous view in Nifty, the Bank Nifty also proceed making an all-time high and new highs. Much higher is possible. Okay, this is the option now. But remember, if declines, the price not getting support at that required level, and if declines, this trend line is most important. Okay, this is approximately 43,900. Okay, this is only rough number. Mostly will get support and move upside, but if the price declines below this trend line, and possibly as our previous view, Nifty and Bank Nifty has completed its 5-wave impulse and made a meaningful top, because both indexes are aligning each other perfectly. You see 61.8%. The Fibs I rely most, suggesting that that's a good stop for wave 5. All right. I hope you like these videos. If you get confused, please rewatch it again, so that may remove some doubts in Elliott wave understanding. See, primarily, as per Dow theory, all indexes should move in similar way, right? But Nifty is showing some bullish structure, but Bank Nifty is showing an bearish structure. So in this case, so I thought of giving both views in both index. That is what the idea. So by counting bearish structure as per Bank Nifty, surprisingly both Nifty and Bank Nifty stops at exact 61.8%, and that is definite resistance. That is why the price stopped and declined very fast. Okay, but is that the top made? Yeah, possible. But since we have a bullish structure in Nifty, I'm checking with Bank Nifty also. Is there any possibility of bullishness in Bank Nifty? I showed now. The price has to stop here and need to go higher. It needs to cross the trend line which I drawn above. Okay, in that case, the Bank Nifty joins the Nifty to make the market in new highs. I hope you understand the difference what I am saying, and I believe coming weeks are important. There may be some correction in next week, then the price should stop and move upside. Let's see what happens. So don't take it as any sort of recommendations. These are shared only for learning the Elliott waves, and I believe I shared a lot of important things in Elliott waves which are available only in paid courses, and I'm sure that you know where get these informations for free. If you like this video and if you want to learn these Elliott waves in much more practical way, 100% practical way, there is no theory here. This is what the most professional Elliott wave analysts doing here. So I'm sharing it with you. If you want to learn Elliott wave like this, right away subscribe the channel. We'll meet you next Nifty and Bank Nifty update or any Elliott wave learnings video. Until then, trade safely. Take care. Bye.